Okay, got this car in November of 2015. We ordered it in June of 2015. Ford sent me all the paperwork on when it was built and how it got put on the train and how long it sat out in the lot, and it was on 3 different railroads. And anyway, so it got here. So this is what, 6 years ownership. Got a little few things here that aren't right. Look at this. The windshield looks like we got the beginnings of some lamination problems here. It's all around this, all around the front. It gets worse up in here. Interesting. Wonder if they give me a new windshield. Anyway, other than that, some kind of weird paint stuff here. It's aluminum, so I know it's not rust. Something ain't right. Got some more right here. And what was the other thing? There's a few little paint problems on this thing, but who knows? Anyway. And the other thing was the window switch over here. This one here. And put the window down all the time, or up all the time. I have to get that looked at. Well, actually, I got a part coming. But other than that, everything's been good. But something tells me y'all don't really care about all that kind of crap. I think y'all would rather have a cold start. So I guess we can do that. Let me get my little tripod out here on the camera, and we'll get that going. We'll see if we get any good number of views. Of course, you got to have the appropriate license plate there. But anyway, let's get this thing set back here where we can see it. And get my glasses to where I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Heck with this. Let's just do a cold start. Make sure there aren't any cats over there. Nope, no cats. All right. That's what you've been wanting to hear anyway. Fuel pump comes up to pressure and sounded pretty good when it was in the sport mode. Not a bad deal at all. Oh well. I'll have to do some more videos on this. So far so good though. I'm happy with it.